All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of 410 Drone and Travel. In this episode, I'm going to be reviewing a new TUMI Slim Zip Top Briefcase. I got this for my father for Christmas, and he got a new job, which is a little more professional, and I decided to go ahead and get him a nice quality piece of luggage here from TUMI. So, in full disclosure, I did get this particular item at the outlet, which was made for the outlets only, but still has the ballistic nylon and all the other great features that TUMI has. So let's start out in the front. We got a slim zip pocket here. Seems to me that it might be a little slim to fit too much into it, but it's still useful. We have a secondary pocket up top here. It does have a bunch of different slots in it for pens, credit cards, possibly some small files, etc. And I'll go over that specifically later. The main compartment, it's got a large area for a 17, possibly 17, definitely a 15-inch laptop. Comes with a shoulder strap with a lot of padding on it. I know it might be hard to see, a lot of padding. Let's take the stuffing out here. As you can see, the inside is very, very wide open, even though it's called a slim zip briefcase. It will definitely hold a bunch of files, your laptop, and it does have a sleeve on the side for an iPad or a tablet. In the back, it's got a nice area for some files, or if you have a TUMI luggage that you're walking through the airport, you can unzip the bottom, and it's got the pass-through. It's called the TUMI Add a Bag Pass-Through. So for the money I paid for this, it was originally $300, and I got it just a little over $100. I think it was a good buy. It seems very well built. Okay, so as I was explaining, one of the main compartments here has a lot of options in it. It comes with the TUMI ID tag, so if you happen to lose your bag, somebody turns it in, TUMI can scan it and have it sent to you. Inside, it also has the TUMI ID lock, which indicated by the red. You can keep a wallet, your credit cards and stuff in there, and the RFID signals cannot make it through. It also has some slots for some credit cards, pens, pencils, and a small little deal over here to fit, I guess, a couple pens and stuff in. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please check me out in the next episode. Leave me a comment about this down below. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.